In this video, I'm going to show you how to find drafts on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram application, and now you can tap on plus sign to start creating your new post. You can select any photo, then tap next, then add here some filters, tap next, and on that step, instead of sharing this post, you can go back out of here, and now it asks you if you want to discard any changes or if you want to save this post as draft. I'll tap on save draft, and now let me show you how you can easily find your drafts. So just tap at plus sign to start creating a new post, and right here just above your gallery pictures you can find drafts feature. Just tap on that, and from here you can select all your drafts that you ever saved on Instagram. So you can just tap at any of drafts. I'll select the last one, and now you can tap on next to continue editing that post. You can write there a caption, tag some persons, and do other stuff here. And once you are ready to publish it, just hit on share to share it with your followers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.